This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a golf putting green. First, let's plan your perfect setup. Think about the ideal size and shape for your space, perhaps a 10-foot by 15-foot area. Select a spot with excellent drainage and plenty of sunlight. Gather essential tools such as shovels, rakes, and a plate compactor. You might also consider adding a fringe or a small sand trap for extra challenge. Now, let's prepare the foundation for your putting green. Begin by excavating the chosen area to a depth of about 4 to 6 inches. Next, install a sturdy border using treated lumber or flexible edging to define your green's perimeter. Lay down a high-quality weed barrier fabric to prevent any unwanted growth from coming through. Finally, add a base layer of crushed gravel, roughly 3 inches deep, and spread it evenly. With the base prepared, it's time to shape your green and install the turf. First, apply a 1-inch layer of decomposed granite, which will create a perfectly smooth and firm surface. Use a plate compactor to thoroughly compact all the base layers, ensuring stability. Carefully unroll and install your artificial turf, making sure it's tight and wrinkle-free. Finally, cut out precise holes for your putting cups and secure the turf edges. You're almost ready to putt. For the finishing touches, fill your putting cups and install the flags. Next, apply an infill material, such as specialized sand or rubber granules, evenly across the turf. This infill helps the turf fibers stand upright and provides a realistic feel. Use a stiff brush to work the infill deep into the turf. Now, grab your putter and enjoy your brand new, custom-built putting green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.